Hello, and welcome to another Golden Insights.
Hello everyone. Today we're here in my garden checking in on the pumpkin that we showed you when we were planting a few months back, really early in the season. I have no experience growing pumpkins, never done this before. This is my first pumpkin plant, and man, I'm impressed. We're having a great time growing this giant pumpkin. One of the best things about this pumpkin is how fast the plant's growing and how fast the pumpkins are swelling. We started out with worm castings, compost, and cocoa fiber. Since we've taken our vines and planted them right into 200-gallon pots, we cut the tip off, planted it in, and they've rooted in. So now I have two 200-gallon pots feeding the original mother plant that's rooted right here in the big mound we built in the beginning. Part of the beauty of this method is I can hardly get into that mound with this plant everywhere, but these pots are really accessible. This is where I've been applying most of my fertilizers, my teas, and applying extra water. I can just come right in here, sprinkle my crown jewels right on top. I've been using the Bloom and our Imperial Boost on these. It is incredible how quickly this pumpkin has developed. We're guessing this thing's probably about 80 pounds right about now. Starting to really get some girth. We're turning it regularly, and we're gonna keep feeding and keep pumping this until the middle of October.